I realize that you guys are not seeing the live stream so clearly because the data isn't so good when it's doing the live stream. So this is the cacao tree, and the cacao tree likes to grow clustered, and at the moment there is no ripe or green one on it. There is some dried one, as you can see there. So the sun came back out and it's beautiful, so I can stay a little bit longer because the sun is out and the mosquito won't get me like that. But yeah, so I realized the live stream I did a while ago, as I said before, it's not giving because the data did not bring it across as beautiful as I am seeing it. So I know the video will bring it across as beautiful as I am seeing it. So this video right here is the bathtub, the live that you guys didn't get to see so clearly, and you can hear the beautiful birds singing in the background. As I said before, the bees are buzzing and the butterfly are out playing. So yeah, let's see if I can give you guys a better view because of the sun glare. You might see some part of it white and some part of it kind of blue, but yeah, it's beautiful. The sky is getting clearer, the overcasting cloud is disappearing, some of it, not all of it, and we are going to take a little walk along the path here. I know there's no road or what do you call it, there's no track, but it's nice, so I'm gonna take you guys. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna take you in the heart of the noise of the bird. So you guys can listen to the bird. There's also jabbing crow. If you can hear the crow making noise, that's a jabbing crow. And my feet smashing the grass. Amazing, right? I think it is. I was trying to let you guys see along the cave, and I was throwing stones for you guys to hear the cave, what was happening at the cave. I'm searching for a stone. There's a stone. I'm gonna throw it down there so you guys can see what. Whoa. Ants. Oh my god, guys, ants. OMG. Ants on the stone. Alright. I don't know if you can see it, but hear that, guys? That's the cave hole. OMG. There are lots of green bushes down there, so it's not possible for me to go down there. I wanted you guys to see what the hole looks like, but I think it's safe if I stay where I'm at and just let you guys see the grass and tell you all about the cave hole, because I don't know what's down there to surprise me, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So this video is a backup video for the live that did not go so well, because I am sure it was very foggy because my data did not give the way I wanted to give. So I'm climbing on these rocks. And I am where I want to be now. But guess what? I don't hear the birds. So guys, in the end of the live, I'm trying to explain what I saw in the live. This little insect on the stone was in the live. Focus camera, let them see. This camera don't want to focus. Focus. There you go. So that little insect was on the live. I don't know what it is. If you know, then you can share it. And yeah, and I also saw a butterfly get trapped into a bush spider web. And why is he looking so hazy? Yeah. So a bush spider caught into, no, a butterfly caught into a bush spider web, and I set it free. While I was passing, I realized it was flapping its wing to get away or to escape, and it was a color like that one. It was a color like that butterfly there. That one, yeah, a color like that one. So it was trying to get away, and I helped it out to escape. Well, if it gets caught back into the web, I won't be there to save it. So this is what I call a bush spider. I don't know if you can see. They don't like when you come around. They're always trying to escape, and that one is gone. But if you watch the shorts, you will see that little thing running are there to trap their prey or their food, and that's how they feed. So I want to share that with all of you. So this video won't be as long as I want it to be, because one, it's getting dark again. Even though the sky is blue, the sun disappears, and the sun glare is not given at the moment. So you can hear the birds in the distance. And guys, wherever you see the video gets cloudy, it is because there's no sunlight. So here's the overcast cloud, the rain cloud. It is back again. So definitely rain is in the making. These are flowers, I should say. Beautiful. And a lot of bush spider web. That's a bush spider web, but I don't see any spider. Maybe that one is hiding. Oh guys, I think I have done maybe 3-4 videos around last week. I think in last week video or the week before video, you can actually see a bush spider, where I take pictures of the bush spider. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see this. So that little thing you see there, that's a bush spider, and they trap their prey. So that little one there is small, but it is a bush spider. That one there. Yeah, looks tiny, but it is. They are dangerous to other small insects. Maybe some persons, they may be dangerous to some persons if they don't like them. Here's a new insect. This is a new species of insect. Oops. It fly away, sorry, and I dropped the phone. So out in the back country you can see amazing animals, hear some amazing sound from the birds. It's amazing out here. So this is